Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use our sort layout program, the BD Influx cell sorter. First of all, go to github.com/Sanger Cytometry and choose the Influx Autosort template repository. In here you will see a number of files, a .py and a .exe. The .py is much faster but requires Python. The .exe is a standalone but is a bit slower. I'm choosing the .exe and I'm choosing to download it. Once downloaded, it should be copied to your sort layout template folder. That can be found in My Documents, BD, Sortware, Sort Layout. Paste it here. Also in here we need to make one other folder. The name of that folder is described in the help file in the Influx Autosort template repository. And it is Latin square multisample. From here you proceed to set up your sort as you normally would. So today I've got some 8-peak beads. I can choose my beads. I choose the single beads. And I'm going to choose 2 populations. You can give your populations any name you like. I'm going to call this left and this right. From here, you now set up your plate as normal. So you calibrate the position of your plate using the tray control, sort in the corners, and get the puddles right in the center. Next, the populations you want to sort should go into the first wells. Then you choose sorting, save sort layout, give it a name. I'm going to call it 8-peak 2 sample, or 2 population. Now you go to the program and run it. It takes a few seconds to start, but as I said, the Python file is instantaneous. First of all, I'm going to choose option number 1, single sample with many gates. I come back to Sortware, choose Restore Sort Layout, choose 8-peak 2 pop again, and there you have it. This is the default layout that we have for 2 populations. If you want to use one plate but multiple samples, all you have to do is overlay your gates. So I'm going to choose 2 gates here, right and left, but one's going to be called sample 1 and one's going to be called sample 2. Again, I put them in the first wells, save the sort layout, 8-peak 2 samples, go to the program, run it, wait a few seconds, then I choose option number 2, many samples and a single gate. Now when I go to restore sort layout, I can go to the folder Latin square multisample and I've got sample 1 and sample 2 listed here. I can load them separately and they'll only show the correct sample number. The other option is option number 3. Option number 3 allows the user to come with a template. On the GitHub page you'll find example.xlsx. Download that and then you can adjust your gating strategy to whatever you want. But then when you choose option number 3, it'll ask you to load that file and then you proceed as usual, choosing 1 sample or 2 sample or more samples. Thank you very much and I hope you enjoy using our program.